Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm exploring the taiao. I want to find as many insects as I can. Hoake tātou. Look, I found some bees. Bees love flowers. They collect the nectar from them and turn it into honey. Bees make honey, and I love honey. And they go Buzz, and my name is Buzz. We're related. Hey, did you know that bees communicate by dancing? Maybe I can communicate with the bees. They said hi. Whoa. Look what I found, cuzzies. Whoa, check it out. This is a weta whare. We have to be quiet though, because they're nocturnal, so they only come out at night time. They're probably asleep, but let's check. They're asleep. Did you know that weta's ears are actually on their front legs? Can you imagine having your ears on your hands? That'd be different, eh? Hey, talk to the hand, cuz. Talk to the hand. Huh? I can't hear you. Yeah, talk to the hand. Can you hear that? Those are cicadas. Do you know cicadas are the loudest insects in the whole world? And it's only the males that make that sound. They're everywhere around here. Look. Whoa, check it out, cuzzies. I found some of the ancestors. Ko taranga tēnei, rawa ko makea, tēnā ko rua. They're the parents of Maui. And check out who else I found. Ah, this cheeky, handsome fella with the beautiful korowai's eyes that shine like pawa, beautiful physique, reminds me a lot of myself. Ko Maui tēnei. Tēnā koe Maui. Ka kite. I've had so much fun exploring today and finding insects. I found heaps of insects. Oh, this is a beautiful place to spend some time in the taiao. Ka kite anō, whānau.